Okay, hi guys. I got some diamond paintings in from China. They got here pretty quick, actually. Um, I got two orders in. One came in Monday, and this other one came in today. So I'm gonna try and do an unboxing. I don't know if my software is gonna cooperate. I've tried 3 times now, so hopefully this will do it. All right. So let me go ahead and go with this one first. This one came Monday, October 1st. If I can just like slice this stuff off of it, the plastic, and get into it. Okay. Okay, this one, let's see, is there any tape? Nope, we're good. All right, close that knife before I hurt myself. Okay, so this is from DPF diamond painting. I don't know which one this is until I open it. So let's see what we got. Which one is this? Because I think I have 2 from that company. Oh, this is the sunset. Very nice. I have to make use of the floor there. Oh, this is the sunset one. Okay. They did not slice the paper. Yeah, this is a new company for me. DPF. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Hello, focusing would be good. Come on. Focusing. There we go. Okay, so that's the little picture, what it looks like. And I ordered it on, let's see, this one, September 20th, and I got it on the 1st, so that's not bad at all. It's like 11 days. Okay, I cannot keep this thing focused. This is going to make me crazy. I need to pull something over here. Focus this darn camera. Let me just pull something from the back and try to keep it focused while I'm diddling around with the stuff. Okay, come on. Will you focus? I'm having so much trouble with this camera today. It is just not cooperating at all. I'm going to do a collage with this picture, but I need to keep it in the picture to focus the camera. Apparently, it does not like white at all. Okay, so here's a basic kit. Same old, same old. Except it has this white tray with the doohickey on it that I'm not really crazy about, but it's flat. That's a good thing. I got some that were curved, and the diamonds won't straighten out. But this is nice and flat, and there's a nice piece of wax, some standard tweezers, so that's the kit. Okay. And, oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, this is gorgeous. There's square drills. Oh, look at that. Okay. That picture is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, and it's a 40 by 50, which means it's about a 16 by 20. Beautiful. That's going to be gorgeous. Okay, let's spread the canvas out and see what the canvas looks like. Oh, I have to move the other one for a minute. I don't have room. Okay, yeah, 16 by 20. All right, that looks like what's going on here. And there's a little there, but I don't think that's a big deal. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's really clear. That's really nice. And it's almost flat as it is, so oh, that's really nice. Okay, so I'm going to peel this back. And then look at that. Oh, that's going to be gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to smooth it down for right now. I will slice the paper later. Let me go ahead and flip it around and do the other side. I'm keeping this in there. I usually do it the other way, but I'm going left-handed today. Get this side smoothed out. There we go. Oh, yeah, the drill field looks very clear. This is going to be great. Okay, I'm happy with the canvas. The canvas feels good. Oh, yeah, that's going to be really nice. So, okay, so there's the numbers and everything. This one, 40 by 50, and it's from the DPF company. DPF. And it has a sheet. It does have a sheet. Let me take the sheet out, and this will make it a lot easier to... Ooh, that's crunchy plastic. Yeah, this is nice because I can copy this and have all of the labels to put on my trays and everything. But yeah, this is gorgeous. And there's my DMC colors and how many bags. And of course, there's 10 bags of 154, which is like a dark charcoal gray. 115. See, there is no 310, so there's no black, but there is the charcoal. So that's really, really nice. And like I said, it is square drills. You can see the squares. And they are in individual little bags, so I don't have to open all the bags at once if I don't want to. That's new for me. Everything else has been all together. Oh, such pretty colors. Oh my. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to put this one aside and open the other one. I will do the inventory later off camera. I don't need to do that on camera. I'll go ahead and move this because it's folded out nice and flat. Okay, now let's do the other one. And I have one more coming, so let's get through this real quick. Close the knife. Okay, I'm not sure what this one is. This one might be the Huacan. Yeah, this is the Huacan. Okay, oops. There's the kit. And the box is empty. Okay. So this is the Huacan. These are also square drills. This is the Galaxy, or Universe, or whatever they want to call this one. Here's my kit. That's the standard Huacan kit with the nice tweezers. Like that. Got the nice tweezers. And it's rolled up on the foam. So let me see if I can... Here, I'm going to get the scissors for this one. I don't want to cut where I'm not supposed to. Accidentally. So let's see how this goes. Okay. Get the scissors going. It's a little crunchy. Okay, big noise. Woo. Okay, get rid of that noisy plastic. Alright, now there's tape here. And I'm just going to leave it alone for right now. There's the Galaxy. And this is going to go with my lunar eclipse that I finished. And so this is sliced into 4, and this one is about 20 by 20. This one is, no, this one is 16 by 20. It's another approximately 16. Okay, here's the foam thing. I'm getting quite a nice collection of these. Got some ideas to use those for. Okay, and here's my drills. And as usual, there is no extra sheet of paper. But all the drills are in the little baggies. So that's good. I will do the inventory off camera. I don't need to do it right now. Okay, let's straighten this mother out and see what happens. All right. Here, I'm going to go the other way. My camera is shifted to the left or shifted to the right, and my space is not good. But, oh yeah, look at that. Oh, nice. Yes, Huacan has great canvas and great, yeah, you can see it really, really, really well. So I'm really happy about that. I'm working on another Huacan right now. The second of 3 for my mom. Oh yeah, drill field is real clear. Looks really good. Looks really, really good. Yeah. Really enjoying the Huacan. Very nice, very nice. Now let's go this way. flatten it out, and then I'll hang it up with the others. Yeah, this one is going to go with my lunar eclipse, and I need to find a third one to go with it. So I'll have to see what I can come up with. Oh, I think I need, uh-oh, darn, ripped it right there at the corner. I hate when I do that, but that's okay. I have extra sheets now. So if I need to trim that piece and put a whole sheet on there, I can. Oh, yeah. The drill field is really nice and clear. I'm very happy about that. The first ones I did were not so good. So I'm always happy when it looks good. Oh, look at that. Yeah, see, that looks really good. Look how clear that is. That is awesome. Yeah. And this one is the Galaxy. So this one is probably going to have 310. Oh, actually, it does not have any 310 black. Wow. I have dark blues and grays. Oh, and there's my phone. Okay. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.